Hey, good evening. Dan here, and it is Friday, March 11th. Another week, another crappy week in the market. Listen, the downtrend just keeps prevailing, and at some point, we're going to get a big rebound that's going to reverse all this, but I don't think that point's coming next week. I think it's going to be a while. It will take quite a while for the demand for buyers to soak up all the supply from people that were riding the slope of hope down. This is a tough market, and for you, if you continue to try to trade in it, if you're just trying to trade all the volatility, that's pretty tough for you. On the other hand, if you have a process, you're sitting here, you're cooling your jets, you're seeing that, you know what, maybe this isn't my market because I don't like to lose money. Then you're sitting here and you've got your powder dry and you're just waiting for your train to come by. That's really, the best traders ain't trading. I'm here to tell you, the best traders aren't trading. But I want to look at MPC, Marathon Petroleum. You know, the energy stocks are working pretty well. I got into Marathon Petroleum on this breakout, and I'm down 1.16%. So basically, I'm flat. But I want to explain it because, you know, it would have been nice if this had helped, you know, run up to 80 bucks and held, but it didn't. But does that make me feel like, okay, well, this is a failed breakout? And the answer would be no. We've got heavier than average volume today. We've got the stock closing above where it opened. And so for 3 successive days, we have closes that are higher than the open. And we also have, over the last 2 days, higher intraday high and higher intraday low. And then I'm looking at this as institutional buying. So I go back here and check this out. And this does look like kind of a typical zigzag, a move up. Here, I'll go ahead and draw it. A move up, and then a pullback, and then a move up, and then a pullback, and now it's looking like another move up, and then we're going to wait for a pullback. So I like this stock right here. Again, the takeaway for me today is a positive close, you know, up, you know, 3/4 of a point, which isn't a lot, but it's really the positive close combined with this green spike here of over 10 million shares. We get the same thing here. We got another one here. And so the bigger spikes are all green, and that is what we like to see. Okay, so I think if the stock pulls back a little bit tomorrow, this might be an opportunity actually to get into the stock at a little bit lower price. But I like the way this pattern's setting up. I like the sector. I like everything that's going on with energy because, frankly, that's where the money's going. All right, I'll see you Monday.